Welcome back, everyone. We've got another hard reset for you. Today we're going to do the Realme 7. So you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset. We'll show you how to do that. As a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you do delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. And if you haven't yet, subscribe. We got 10 more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. So we'll get a ton more up. So appreciate it. Let's get right into this. You have your power button right here on the right side, and then on the left side you have your volume up and volume down. What we want to do is hold the volume down and power button at the same time. Once the phone turns on, you can let go of power, but keep holding volume up, or I'm sorry, volume down. So I'm going to start holding volume down, and I'll hit the power button. And the phone's on, so I let go of power, but I'm still holding volume down. All right, we're here, and on one of these you can actually use both touch and your volume buttons and power button. So we do want English. Oop, hit the wrong thing. And we want to do wipe data, and then it asks you to put in a verification code. So you just type in what it says on the screen. Oops, 4982. Does not like me today. 4982. All right, so we want to wipe. It gives us two options. We want to do a full reset, so we're going to do the format all data format. It's wiping. And if you do have a bad touchscreen on this model and you're trying to do a hard reset, you won't be able to, since you won't be able to type in the code, unfortunately. And plugging a USB mouse actually does not work through like an OTG connector. Unfortunately, it doesn't work if I can hold the phone. But and this one, data swiped, and we can either power off or reboot. I'm just going to power it off. Actually, it's going to reboot because I didn't hit it fast enough. But that is how you do a hard reset on a Realme 7. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Try to get some more stuff up for you. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.